Hi guys, this is a follow-up update again for Nifty. Stop loss got hit in the morning, so now what to do? Okay, this is a daily chart for Nifty. I've drawn a trend line. If you can see the price here, this is a daily chart, mind you. It's come exactly on this trend line which I've drawn, the support. This trend line, daily chart trend line. It's exactly on that support. Also, now that is daily. Now I'm shifting to 30 minute. 30-minute also, kindly see that this is a daily line. This is, I've drawn a line here which is a head and shoulders, left shoulder, main head, right shoulder forming, but it's come exactly at this support. Both the daily trend line support and head and shoulder support culminate at one point. So this particular level, say around 17,700 or 1650, is very crucial level. 600, 17,600, 17,600 is very crucial level, because below this, Nifty is going to collapse. So as of now, it's taking support. So anybody who has courage can buy with stop loss has for futures at 700, 17,700. Right now it's 17,762. These are spot rates, mind you. I have not gone for the futures chart because it's messy, because of weird rates there. Now I'm coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty daily chart again. If your long-term trend line is exactly on the trend line, mind you. I'm shifting to a 30-minute now. See, is exactly on that support line. There's not exactly an head and shoulders, but if you really want a head and shoulders, this is the line. So this also culminates here. You are getting a support here. So right now, I'll just delete this. You are getting a support here. Here also you can buy Bank Nifty futures in option, but stop loss for everything will be 37,800. Right now it is 30. This is futures chart. This is a Bank Nifty futures chart. So uh, we expect a bounce back, but will it happen or will it collapse? That remains to be seen. There's one more thing. SBI Life has given a breakout. You can see this SBI Life. This is a breakout. It's given a breakout here. So buy with stop loss of 1174. Buy at 1200. Target is 1274. All the best. Have a nice day. Let's see what happens.